so here I have my half a bottle. It's kind of stuck there. Hold on. Shouldn't be stuck because I have to attach it. Hold on, let me get in there. Let me get in there. Come on, baby. Here we go. Whoop, whoop. Okay, are we free? Free. Okay, oh boy, it really got stuck on there. That's good. I think that's a good sign. Like it wants to be, it wants to be this. Okay, they're already kind of married. Okay, so that looks kind of messy, but we will fix that. That's an important piece. So what I did, so the reason I made these is because I cut the bottom off by accident. So instead of it being a total loss, I decided to cut it in half and make two of these things that I've always wanted to make. Let me first, while we're here, clean up this slab a little bit. I'm going to take these little pieces off. Those are kind of important pieces. And I'm going to get a sponge and just kind of wipe this down and clean it up a bit. Okay. So let's do that. Make it nicer. And I'm hoping that this background is going to kind of wind up looking kind of leathery. And I'm going to have to cut it to a nice shape. Haven't done that yet. Haven't even really thought about it much yet. We'll take some pieces and do a little surgery. So these spots that have like a missing piece, I'm just going to shove a little clay in there and make them look a little bit nicer. Instead of divots, we will have flatness. Okay, just rub. Surgery, we call it in the business. Behind the scenes in the operating room. Okay, so I normally like to work with two hands, but one of them is currently busy because I have nowhere to put this. I'm noticing it does have this kind of fold in the slab. I'm not thrilled about that. But I also think, I don't know, sometimes you're like, can we work with this? And other times it's like, no, roll another slab, Amy, make it perfect. Why is there that fold there? I bet I was moving it. Okay, so let's see if we can do some surgery with that. Single-handed. You don't want your surgeon to have only be using one hand. Okay, but I will kind of do it where it counts. Get that a little bit wet. So here's where it's going to count is there and here, and the rest is going to kind of disappear on the inside of the bottle. But these two spots are kind of vital. So let's grafting. That's the kind of surgery we're doing here is grafting. Okay, just disappear that fold that happened earlier, at least a little bit. Let's see here. I really should put this down. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna kind of score it to even it up there. Rickety table. It's all right. Just get that to blend a little bit better. Scoring is a great way to blend. Okay, let's see how that goes. Okay. And then we can just take a little bit of this here. Do a little filling. All right, doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, but I wanted it to not look like there was a canyon there. So So now it's more raised and I can shape that down easier than add clay later. Okay, wonderful. So here's our next move, was we were putting this together. So I built a floor with my own two hands. I built a floor for this, so let's go ahead and put the slip on there. And attach that. And I'll just kind of work that in a little bit. It's great if these can be the same level of dryness. Clay really likes to attach at the same level of dryness. It just doesn't give you all the problems, or gives you less problems, fewer problems, I think is the correct English for that. Let's attach that. My theory or dream is that this will actually be able to hold water. So for that, we want a pretty good seal, actually a perfect seal. Okay. Oops, careful of the slab. Let's make it pretty here. I think I can do that once. Well, let's see. It's very, very awkward to hold. Ah. I kind of thought about hand building something that would make this come down to a point that would be like more of an amphora. But that didn't happen this time. It's for a future project. Okay, so now we're rocking and rolling. Let's put this down. And I'm kind of thinking about like where, as far as this slab goes and the finished product, like what do the top and the bottom look like? Is this kind of flush with the bottom? And no, it should have at least a little bit on the top, but I mean like a little space. I want this to kind of be cut maybe like that as an arch with a hole in the middle that you would, and then it's gonna maybe have some kind of waves and have a little space at the bottom. Okay, waves only because of this little limitation on the side of this slab. I could cut it like, you know, nice, but I kind of thought that waves might be interesting. So for now, let us attach this by tracing our outline of our bottle, including the bottom. I'm going to kind of shove this down because I'm going to give it a little extra room. Oh, no. Okay. We might just need to put a coil down there to seal the deal down there. Whoopsie, don't cut the bottle. Okay, cut this. I'm just trying to draw a line on the slab. Okay, for where I'm going to score it. Okay, there, and then a little bit on the inside too. And okay, let's see that. Again, it's like stuck in the spot. Okay, that looks really good, doesn't it? Okay, so let's go ahead, whoopsie, and score that up. There's the line. The whole inside of that line, including this part. And that's really neat looking, isn't it? Gosh, that looks beautiful. I feel like that's a thing of its own. Okay, and then this one. And this one. That's where I might need the coil right there, because it didn't seem to really reach the slab. Okay, now, hi, come on in. I'm just recording.
You have a minute to talk?
Yeah, let me pause. Oh, I don't know that this can pause. Oh, yes, it can.